Johnny had all the room in the world. He's learning how to ride. Today is his first day. How's he doing? Johnny! Today, Johnny, my man, how are you?
Good, good.
Johnny, I left it up to you to decide where we're going. You decided on Pho. Where are we going?
Pho Place in Anaheim.
You used to go to this place when you were a kid?
A couple of years ago, I used to live up there.
I'm going to trust your suggestion, and hopefully this place is good. Get us there, Johnny.
All right.
Johnny, Johnny, Johnny. Why are you flinching, dude? Difference between ramen and pho. I have no idea. I didn't have enough time this morning to research any of it, but I really want to know. I've done pho before. I don't know. If I'm gonna get soup, I'm just gonna stick with Campbell's chicken noodle or Olive Garden minestrone. I'm kind of kidding. It's hard for me to sit down in one sitting and eat this huge bowl of noodles. It takes forever. It's got that kind of time. Today Johnny's on the Yamaha FZ09, and of course I'm on the GSX-R 750. We're almost at 72,000 miles for those of you guys that are wondering. I know there's 1,000 different ways to order this soup. I've seen people order it with egg and shit that just not really interesting to me. I'll probably try to get some sort of lean beef and chicken broth. If it comes with a bunch of weird vegetables, I guess I'll deal with it. I'm sure Johnny's gonna get some crazy ass shit and then put a pound of hot sauce in it. So Johnny and I have been trying to knock out these videos during the week before he goes to work. Johnny's got to be at his job in Irvine at 12:30. It's not an easy feat. Think about it. We have to leave promptly at 10 and pretty much go right to a restaurant, hope that a bunch of interesting shit happened on the way to the restaurant, film inside the restaurant, say goodbye to Johnny, then I film by myself on the way back. It's really difficult to get a 10-minute video out of that. All right, we're gonna throw something at Johnny. Got him. Oh, he's mad. I think I got him on his tank. I'm gonna get him again for bitching. Missed. That's it. That's all I got. I had 4. 2 direct hits. 1 fell off the tank and the other one's a miss. Johnny's been kicking around the idea of starting a YouTube channel. I mean, I don't think he'll have a full-on channel, but maybe upload his perspective of our days riding around together. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below if you're interested in Johnny starting a YouTube channel. You think Johnny's gonna lose his hat? Or he's trying to get over and I'm blocking him. I'm going to take this opportunity at a boring red light to thank all the Patreons of the channel. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you. Wouldn't want to do this without you. I smell a white line race. I think he had a bad start. I'll still take the win though. Ramen versus pho. I think one's egg noodles, the other one's rice noodles, wheat noodles. I don't know. Johnny's kind of riding like a little bitch today. Are you feeling okay? I don't think Johnny's feeling okay. I didn't see any racing or wheelies out of him. In fact, I haven't ridden any wheelies myself. I fix breastfeeding for you? The latch lady. Sure is one stupid car. Johnny, go! Let's go, Johnny. Johnny had all the room in the world. He's learning how to ride. Today's his first day. How's he doing? Johnny! The orange circle, Watson's. I gotta go back there. RBK was telling me about some tater tots they have that I gotta try. Cali Tacos. It's the most famous taco spot in all of Orange County, I think. They got a really good Instagram. I've been in there, man. That was a fun day. Went there, ate burritos, then we went over to the ocean and some dude jumped in with all his clothes on, all his motorcycle gear. It was pretty funny. Anaheim police. What the hell is this?
This is where I used to live.
You used to live there?
Yeah, I rented this place out. I had the birdhouse room right there.
It smells so good right now. Wanna know why? Because there is an In-N-Out right there. Dude, I haven't had In-N-Out in a while, man. My In-N-Out light is on. It's flashing. It's going, feed me In-N-Out, feed me In-N-Out. Some of these Pho Place are named pretty funny. Like I've seen Pho King Way, Fuck It Bucket. Yeah. Pho business owners have quite the sense of humor. Lunch special. All right, 10 bucks. It's gonna be a cheap day. Lunch used to be $7.99. They added $2 to it. They put a lot of effort into changing that price. All right, let's eat. Johnny, Pho Place. Am I saying that right? Is it Pho? What is it?
Pho.
Pho.
Yeah.
Wasn't very optimistic on this place, but I liked it a lot. So I got brisket and chicken broth, and I loved it. What'd you end up with?
I got the rare steak and the well done brisket.
When you say rare steak, what is that?
It actually cooks in the broth. So they throw it into the broth raw,
Yeah.
and then the hot broth cooks it up.
You got rare steak and well done brisket.
Yeah.
Why would you get that?
That's just my favorite combo, man.
If I'm ever out and about and I'm in this area and I'm looking for pho, this would be the spot. This was really, really good. For any of you guys watching, anyone in the Anaheim area that isn't already familiar with this place, try it. Everything that you saw on the table today, and we drank waters, a little over 18 bucks, worth it.
You want to see where my grandfather invented Opticom?
Opticom, can I talk about that in the video?
Yeah.
So Johnny's grandfather was an inventor. He invented some cool shit, and he's gonna take me to the house where some of this stuff was invented. One of the things that Johnny's grandfather invented was this thing called Opticom. It's what triggers green lights for first responders. You guys know what I'm talking about. You'll see a cop car or a fire truck coming through and then the light just magically turns green for them. Yeah, Johnny's grandfather invented the technology to make that happen. Crazy, huh? Right there. All right.
My mom's parents moved into this house in the 50s.
And Opticom was invented here?
I believe so, yes. My grandfather did a lot of work in that garage, made a lot of patents.
there, Johnny boy. I think I'm gonna run out of gas. My man. Seafoam Prius, not my man. Tell that here. I think I'm gonna run out of gas. I promise you there's not a gas station for a long time. My fuel light's been on. If you own a GSXR, you know exactly what that means. We'll see. Whatever. Make the video interesting if I run out of gas. How anticlimactic is it going to be if I just don't run out of gas at all? You guys don't have that pressure, that real life pressure that I have. So you're just kind of sitting back going, I think he's going to run out of gas. We're going, who cares? I can just fast forward the video and see if we run out of gas. Well, I challenge you not to do that. Stick with me for the rest of this video. Let's see if we run out of gas. I've run this bike out of gas a few times. I can do about 160 miles on the nose on a tank of gas. And there it is. We're full. I got no room. 4.46. What's up, man?
I wanted to say I love your channel.
Thanks, man.
I'm trying to get you another subscriber right here. Oh, yeah.
Right on, man. Appreciate that. Oh, the bike feels so heavy now. It's heavy. I still didn't even give you guys a wheelie yet. Oh yeah, I gotta give you guys a wheelie. Can't end this without a wheelie. What's that dude doing with his arm? Oh shit, she's heavy with a full tank of fuel. Alright, that was a horrible wheelie, but that's what it is. Can't win them all, right? Okay, time to say goodbye. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Much love to the patrons of the channel. You guys already know that, though. I love you. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. We have a good time. Lots of wrecking and dysfunction. In fact, you'll recognize a lot of the same people on this channel on that channel. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. There you'll also find out about all the gear that I'm using to make these videos. You'd be surprised. Kind of a lot of shit goes into it. Also, the channel partners. Let's support them. They support us. Support them. All I ask, if you guys are in the market for any of their products or services, consider them first. All right, guys. Love you all. I'll catch you guys next week. Later. Love you. Bye.